there were devout Jews from every nation under heaven staying in Jerusalem. At this sound, they gathered in a large crowd, but they were confused because each one heard them speaking in his own language. Then Peter stood up with the 11, raised his voice, and proclaimed to them, "You who are Jews, indeed, all of you stay in Jerusalem. Let this be known to you and listen to my words. Jesus, the Nazarene, was a man commended to you by God with mighty deeds, wonders and signs, which God worked through him in your midst, as you yourselves know. This man, delivered up by the set plan and foreknowledge of God, you killed using lawless men to crucify him. God raised this Jesus, of this we are all witnesses. Exalted at the right hand of God, he received the promise of the Holy Spirit, and from the Father and poured it forth, as you both see and hear." The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Ganda boses na guys. Ganda boses na guys.